How to add TikTok link to Discord on iPhone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add it step by step. First, open the TikTok app on your iPhone. Go to your profile, then tap Share Profile. Select Copy Link to copy your TikTok profile link. Now, open the Discord app on your iPhone. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the Settings gear icon in the top right corner. Tap Connections. Then tap Add in the top right corner. Look for TikTok in the list of available connections. Discord's Connections feature lets you link supported external accounts to your Discord profile. If TikTok is available, tap it and follow the on-screen instructions to connect your TikTok account. If TikTok isn't available in your connections list, you can still add your TikTok profile link to your Discord About Me section. Go back to your profile settings, tap Edit Profile, and add your TikTok link to your bio. Discord supports editing your profile from the mobile app. Once you're finished, save your changes and open your Discord profile to check that the TikTok link is displayed correctly. And that's it. You've successfully added your TikTok link to your Discord profile on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out more helpful iPhone, TikTok, and Discord tutorials.